Children, today we will see geometrical construction, that is 13. Now, how to draw a given shape. A triangle can be constructed only when we can draw a triangle, when the sum of two small sides is bigger than the measure of the longest side. Measure of two sides and angles formed by them is given. Measure of one side and angle on both its ends are given. When the base of a triangle, any one angle on the base and sum of the remaining two sides given. When the base of a triangle, any one angle on the base and the difference between the remaining two sides is given. Then when perimeter of a triangle and both angle on the base are given. When this 6 points we know, then only we can draw a triangle. If from 6 point any point is missing, we cannot draw a triangle. Now, a parallelogram can be constructed when its two diagonals and angle between them is given. How to construct a parallelogram? Now, trapezium can be constructed when two adjacent sides, angles formed by them and parallel sides are given. When we can draw a trapezium. Area of two triangles formed on one base and between the same two parallel lines is equal. If a base is same and two parallel lines, then they are equal. Angles formed at the center by each side of polygon of n side will be 360 upon n. How many sides we don't know? You put the value of n, as we know, if 6 sides you are drawing, you put 6, then divide it, then 60 degree. That means one angle should be of 60 degree. Then we can draw a 6 sides polygon. We will see this, we will draw this also. A regular polygon inscribed in a circle and circumscribed around a circle can be constructed. We can draw a regular polygon. In circle and out circle we can draw a circle. Is it clear? Now we will see exercise 13.1. The first question, construct triangle by given measure of these sides and angles. Serial number. Children, today we will see exercise 13.1, question number 2. Construct a right angled triangle with a base of 4 cm and the sum of other side is 8 cm. The base is 4 cm. We will draw base of 4 cm. Name it A, B. It was at right angle. From A we will draw 90 degree. From A we will draw 90 degree. Extend that line little and name it X and write over here 4 cm and make a symbol of 90 degree. Then take an arc of 8 cm. Take an arc of 8 cm. In the rough you take an arc of 8 cm. From point A on line AX cut an arc. Name it point D. Write over here 8 cm. Now join DB. Now join DB. After joining DB, bisect the line DB. Take more than half of the line, cut an arc on both sides. From class 6, you are doing the line bisector. By now you should have understood how to bisect a line. From the point, two sides, you cut an arc. Where the arc will intersect, join that arc. Now, where the bisector on the line AX will cut, name it point C. Join CB. Join CB. After that, what was the question? The sum of other side is 8 centimeter. We have to find BC and we have to find AC. You measure BC, how much it is. BC, how much it is coming? 5 centimeter. You write over